Your knowledge of gynecology, surgery, it will help you to understand the totality of the symptom. Those person with the disease and your knowledge of medicine and surgery taught you that this is not the symptom of the disease. Are you clear? No. If a disease, suppose a typhoid, this typhoid has got certain symptom. Pneumonia has got certain symptom. Skin allergy. When people ask me about the psoriasis, skin allergy, psoriasis, etc., etc. There is, most of the symptom is very common to the name of the disease. But there are certain symptoms which is not found in the disease, not found in the practice of medicine, not found in the gynae and surgery. That symptom should be considered for prescribing. Clear? But I like to discuss with you only for art of prescribing. Art of prescribing is always you watch the diagnosis of the disease and the symptom found in the patient should be away from the disease, as we discussed the away from the disease. I will give you the example. One case of psoriasis, having severe psoriasis, but when you go through the skin books, skin diseases books, and you study the psoriasis, you will never get the psoriasis patient is having a tremendous craving for sugar, not sweet. I am saying not sweet, sugar. This is the intensity of the symptom. How much you have taken sugar in your teacup? No, not much. Only 4 or 5 teaspoons. 4 and 5 teaspoonful is enough. तो chocolate हो जाएगा. This symptom is not found in the psoriasis disease. This is away from them. And then the same patient is going to say that I am going to, never going to be a balcony. 2 talla, 1 talla. First floor, second floor. But I am not going to just near to the wall of the balcony. As if I feel will be down. 2 important symptoms. I am not going to give you any name of the symptom which is helpful in the psoriasis. Never, you will find never result. You have got many medicines of the psoriasis. Thyroidinum is medicine, psoriasis is medicine. But when you prescribe on the basis of the indication, as Arkham discussed, this indication according to our Organon of Medicine of 2003, under bracket, knowledge of the disease, comma, indications. Without indication, if you are going to prescribe medicine, your medicine is not going to be justified, not any help. I have got many wonderful medical results with medicine, indicated medicine in the case of the psoriasis. So in this case, patient's coverage of the mental, one in strong coverage of the desire. Remember my friend, when you are going to be prescribed medicine on the basis of sweets, but on the basis of sugar, I can say, my friend, I have got such good knowledge of homeopathic materia medica regarding extreme desire for sugar, not sweets. So when you have got sugar desire, it is very strongest one, and mentally patient does not like to near the balcony, not the roof. This two important symptom is enough to prescribe in psoriasis or gingivitis. Watching, understand my. So whenever anybody can say you about that, give me some medicine of the psoriasis, give me some medicine of the heart, give me some medicine of the arthritis, don't believe. It will make you to bad result, bad day, and your patient is going to leave you. But your mentality is going to be developed that you should know the indication of the patient. And this indication of the patient will help you to individualize the patient, individualize the disease. So in a case of typhoid or pneumonia, there are certain symptoms very similar to the pneumonia and typhoid. But in your patient, typhoid patient is very thirsty. Very thirsty. In a one time, you used to take 2 liters, 1 liter at a time. And does not like to move, even your eyes. Does not like to move. Patient has got constipation, large, hard stool as it comes. Does not like to move. This typhoid is a specialized typhoid of the brain. But allopathic physician has got no individualization of the disease. Whatever may be the name of the disease, they will give you. Another important factor for the analysis of the symptom, I like to come back to the observation on body language. The case of dust like Chimaphila, patient feel better to passing urine in the standing position but legs apart. But now I am going to discuss the medicine. We have got no question of legs apart. But he tried his level best to pass urine but failed. But whenever he is going to start passing urine standing position, he passed the urine without any hesitation. Chimaphila, legs apart. Sarsaparilla, only standing required. Only standing required. When the patient is going to be stand, pass urine very nicely. When he is sick, unable to pass, any position of a sarsaparilla is not helpful to the passage urine. Only and only patient is going to be stand. This should be some of the important medicine, body language. By body language only we observe the patient and describe. Out of observation I will give you one more medicine. A case of 21 days coma. Hospitalized in Bombay, Nanavati Hospital. I got the opportunity to see the case. Patient is unconscious. And they are going to transplant their liver. Because after 2 months intoxication with the allopathic medicine, patient is going to be toxemia of the medicine. I observed, and after a good amount of, I am going to short this case. I am not going to very length, full case. And I found the patient after prescribing our medicine, cupramethylene, with all my effort, but the medicine is going to be failed. No result at all. After 24 hours, then again I am going to see the case. I found the patient is still the same, unconscious. Then again I am going to watch and close my eyes from head to foot. And in this observation, I found the patient is having a simple disc area, a twitching. Just like what my face, after some time, everyone is going to ignore. But after 1 hours of observation, I could not get anything. Tap, this, that. I tried my level best to find any indication for prescribing. And I observed this case with the twitching around the mouth. I come back to the ICU and ask for one medicine book. And the book is, after you keep in your mind, where repertory is useful and what repertory should be. There are certain people who are expertise in the cane, they use the cane only. There are certain people utilize of the therapeutic pocketbook, they use therapeutic pocket. Certain people, BBCR, local condition repertory they use. But a good homeopathic physician should be having a knowledge. बस आप 5 मिनट बोलेंगे, 5 मिनट के बाद बंद करते हैं. Within your knowledge, you decide what is the case, and this case should be what repertory is very useful. If this case is used for BBCR, if you utilize Kent, I think you will not get the wonder. So when there is a too much pathology and generalities, I choose BBCR. I go to the BBCR, mobile modification characteristic report, and found the symptom is the twitching, especially found in the facial muscle, especially around the face. And this gives me an opportunity to prescribe a medicine, Dalkamara. Still, people are very shocked that so advanced pathology cases, how anyone choose Dalkamara? But I choose because I believe BBCR, I believe Beninations, I believe Bogan and their effort to develop homeopathic system of medicine. That is my choice. After Dalkamara, next day, patient is starting to passing urine tremendously. Then next day, most of the body is full of the skin eruption. When I said, don't worry, your son is going to be alive. He began life and alive. Within 7 to 9 days, patient come back from the concession, unconscious to the concessionist, but the body had got certain disfigure. After the physiotherapy, good amount of the physiotherapy, patient is going to be improved. The body, the deformity, and the patient is still alive with 3 children, and he is a computer engineer. This some of the cases I chose only because that your temperament should be one to believe homeopathy, believe our literature, and your capacity of watching patient and catching their symptomatology and sitting on the remedy, that should be very important for the practice of it. Thank you. Thank you so much.